Welcome to today's Explainer, where we are going to unpack something pretty fascinating about the hidden life cycle of your device's data. We're diving straight into how modern operating systems, specifically Windows 11, actually anchor your data to physical hardware and what that ultimately means when it's time to finally retire your machines.
So, let's start with a really crucial question that strikes right at the heart of hardware lifecycle management. Think about it. When you toss a computer into the recycling bin, what are you actually throwing away? Is it just metal, plastic, and glass? Or is it a highly specific, immutable physical ledger of your entire digital footprint? Today, we are covering 5 key areas. 1. The Windows data machine. 2. Immutable hardware identities. 3. The local storage dilemma. 4. Securing the active device. And finally, 5. The equipment disposal challenge.
Section 1. The Windows data machine. There is a really fascinating tension to explore here. Microsoft frames its data collection heavily around security and reliability, and they basically divide telemetry into 2 buckets. First, you have required diagnostic data, which is just the baseline minimum needed to keep devices secure and functioning. But then there's optional data, which grabs much richer context, including things like your usage patterns and even website activity for certain components. Microsoft argues this is absolutely crucial to identify and fix failures. On the flip side, though, privacy advocates view this as an overly chatty, unnecessary data footprint, right out of the box.
At the core of all this data collection is a service called DiagTrack. Formerly, it's known as the Connected User Experiences and Telemetry Service, and it acts as the primary transport and collection layer. Now, you might think you can just disable this to stop background reporting, but Microsoft's diagnostics are a massive, broad stack of policies and services, not just a single, simple switch.
And it turns out that familiar settings toggle, it's not exactly a magical off switch for everyday consumers. On Windows 11 Home and Pro, the system actually preserves a mandatory reporting floor. You literally cannot fully extinguish it. Meanwhile, the enterprise reality is a whole different ballgame. Managed environments using enterprise or education editions possess actual, strong policy controls that can truly enforce a complete off state for diagnostic data.
Moving right along to Section 2, Immutable Hardware Identities.
If we look closely at Microsoft's required diagnostic fields, specifically these census.hardware events, we see that your software footprint is anchored directly to the physical silicon. It logs the exact baseboard manufacturer, the OEM digital marker, and the highly specific manufacturer ID of the trusted platform module. So you aren't just sending data, you're basically sending data stamped with the unalterable DNA of that specific motherboard. And as you'll see, this creates a massive headache when it comes time to dispose of the equipment.
Central to this entire hardware identity is the TPM, or Trusted Platform Module. This is a physical hardware component that stores asymmetric cryptography and authenticates users, often linked to features like Windows Hello for Business. Because it's hard-coded into the system, the TPM poses a very unique challenge for device lifecycles. If this physical chip becomes vulnerable or outdated, it drastically changes how you can safely handle the computer at the end of its life.
Which brings us to Section 3. The local storage dilemma.
Features like Windows 11 Recall process and store incredibly rich snapshot data locally on the device. Because this data is handled by the Onboard Neural Processing Unit, or NPU, it never gets uploaded to Microsoft. It stays completely localized on the physical machine. Now, that is a huge win for cloud privacy for sure, but it creates a serious local storage dilemma. Why? Because physical access to the hardware could mean total access to a user's digital history.
And even if you look past the localized AI features, the daily diagnostic stream itself is a localized artifact. Microsoft notes that an average PC generates about 6 megabytes of diagnostic data a day. That sounds tiny, right? Almost harmless. But size is actually a really blunt measure of privacy. If a system crashes, optional telemetry can capture fragments of the working memory at the exact moment of the crash. That means highly sensitive context and rich behavioral details are written locally before ever being packaged up. The hardware itself holds the secrets.
Section 4. Securing the active device. So, knowing these immutable identifiers and local snapshots exist, how do we secure them? Let's look at the Australian Cybersecurity Centre, or ASCC. Their guidelines explicitly recommend AES-based full disk encryption. Obviously, this stops unauthorized access if a laptop is stolen. But the really interesting part is that the ASCC highlights how full disk encryption directly streamlines media sanitization during the decommissioning process. If the drive is heavily encrypted from day one, securely wiping it at the end of its life is significantly more reliable.
To actually pull this off,
The recommended move is to set group policies so that Microsoft BitLocker uses XTS AES 128-bit encryption for both the operating system and fixed data drives. This completely scrambles all those local crash dumps, the telemetry logs, and the NPU snapshot data, locking the system down against physical boot media attacks.
And finally, Section 5, the Equipment Disposal Challenge.
This is where it all comes together. Because your digital footprint is permanently tied to immutable hardware IDs like the TPM. The old method of just formatting a hard drive, yeah, that is completely obsolete. The implications for equipment disposal are massive. Step 1 is enforcing cryptographic erasure using that full disk encryption we just discussed. Step 2 is a real game changer. Organizations must actually identify and physically decommission devices with unpatchable or outdated TPMs. You cannot just recycle them. If the hardware cryptography is compromised, the physical machine itself is a permanent liability.
We've seen today how telemetry and local data models are woven directly into the physical, unchangeable components of your PC. It's really not just about software anymore. It's this permanent marriage of code and immutable hardware. So I'll leave you with this final thought to chew on the next time you retire a laptop or upgrade a whole server rack. Is your organization's recycling policy truly deleting your digital footprint? Or are the deepest secrets of your immutable machine data just walking right out the front door? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I'll catch you next time.